Namaskar. Today we'll start the next part of MS Word. Till now we have covered some functionalities in MS Word, like how we can create or save a document file, or how we can edit and format a particular document file, how we can insert a header, footer or page number, or how we can do the subscripting and superscripting in document file. So in today's session, we'll learn three new things in MS Word. First one, that is how we'll insert a symbol in particular document file. After that, we'll see how we can set the print preview, or we can do the print a particular document file. And in the last third thing, we'll see how we'll insert a clip art, word art or picture into a document file. So without wasting any time, we'll start the first topic of today's session, that is how a particular user will insert a symbol in a document file. So you can see user can insert symbols from symbol group under insert tab. So for that I will give you the demonstration. So first we'll open a particular document file. Suppose here the document file. So first we'll place the cursor where we want to insert a particular symbol. So suppose here the cursor where I want to insert a particular symbol. After that I will go to the insert tab. So first step is that I will open a particular document file and place the cursor where I want to insert a particular symbol. Then I will click on the insert tab, and in the insert tab there is a group of symbols, and in the symbols group there is an option of symbol. So I will select symbol. So if you want more variety of symbols, there is an option of more symbols. So user can choose a particular symbol over this. So there are kind of variety of symbols available here. So suppose, I will close this one and I will again open this one, and suppose I want this symbol is to be inserted greater than or equals to. So I will click on that symbol and you can see a symbol has been added into our document file. So like this we can insert a kind of varieties of symbols from these options. Suppose I want to insert this option, this symbol, or alpha or beta or pi. So again I will place the cursor and then I will open the insert tab, and the symbol group is option of symbol, and I will choose the particular symbol and select the symbol. So that is every added. And same in the symbol group, I can import a particular equations. If there are some kind of equation that are built in, or if a user want to create a new equation, that it can be created by this option. So in this thing we have understood that from insert group the symbols can be inserted in our document file. For that I have used a particular snapshot. In the snapshot you can see insert tab is getting opened, and in that particular tab there is an option of symbols, and we are choosing, or user is choosing a particular kind of symbols. So I have used this particular snapshot. Students can take the reference of their snapshot. So second thing which we have to learn, that is print preview and printing. So what is print preview? So print preview is a feature that displays on the screen what a hard copy of document would look like when it gets printed. By using print preview, user can find and fix the changes such as layout before printing, which can save ink and toner and paper by not having to print more than once. So what it means that it is a kind of preview which we want, means if a particular document in the soft copy is getting written and we want that print of that particular copy. So first we want to see the preview. How did it look like when it get printed? So if user wants some kind of changes, so in the print preview, user can find and fix the changes. So how will do? For print preview, first I will click the file tab and then click print, and in the print option there is an option of print preview. So I will see how we'll do the print preview. Suppose this is a file. So I will go to the file option, office. There is an option of print, and in the print there is an option of print preview. So I will go to the print preview option. Now there is an option. Suppose I want to change the orientation of that particular page. Now current orientation is portrait. Now what is a portrait landscape? In portrait orientation, it is a vertically oriented, means the size, the paper is taller than the wider, and the landscape, it is horizontally oriented, means it is wider. So now defaultly it is set to the portrait mode. When I change to the landscape mode, see, it is horizontally oriented, means it is wider than taller. So it is more wider than taller. If you want that particular page should be portrait, so you can change that one. After that, user can change the margins. Now normal margins getting set up. If the user want narrow margins, user can change margin to the narrow. It is wide. If user wants a particular margin set up by his or her requirements, so the user can change the custom margins. So how will it come? First go to the print. After print, there is option of print preview. In the print preview, print preview. After that, there is the option of, there is a group of page setup and margins. Suppose the user want to change the size of the paper. If it A4, it will be A4. If the user want to select the letter size of paper, see. So every time when the user changing, it is also affecting the print preview. After changing the preview, user can fix the preview, and after that he or she can close the print view. And after that, user can do the print option. Okay. So when user will do the print option of the particular document file, the kind of printer, first the user have to choose the printer. Here there is no printer attached to this laptop, so then no printer is coming. After that, how many pages? If user wants to print all of the document file, the user will select all. If user wants to print on the current page, then current page will be printed. If user wants the range of the pages, suppose there is a file of 65 pages and user wants to print only first 10 pages. So user will write 1-10. So only first 10 pages will get printed. So this is a custom printing. You can say as a custom printing, that is printing based on the requirements of user. After that, number of copies. Suppose user want 2 copies of a document file, so user can increase the number of copies, and after that user can press OK. So that is a whole scenario of print option. So that is, and for reference purpose, I've used a snapshot or a particular demo. Now third topic of today's session is a very important topic, that is how a user can insert clip art, word art and picture. So what is a clip art? So clip art refers to a graphic or a picture that user can insert in document. It comes in different format and styles. It is used to enhance the appearance of a document. Now what are the various steps to insert a clip art? So various steps are written here. First, user will place the cursor where user want to insert the clip art. After that, select the insert tab. In the insert tab, there is a group of illustration, and in that group, click the clip art command. A task will open at the right side of the document. Enter the keyword what kind of clip art you want to insert. So user have to enter the keyword in search for field, and after that select the suitable option in search in, and results should be fields. Click go, clip art menu will appear, and select the design. So how this particular process will appear, so we'll do the demonstration of this. So suppose I open that particular file and I place the cursor where I want to insert a particular clip art. So first I will go to the insert tab. In the insert tab there is a group of illustration, and in the illustration there is a button of clip art. I will click clip art, so a task pane has been appeared at the right side of the document. So suppose I want to search for a field like cake. So I will write the keyword cake, and after that I have to search in all collections, and after that I will click on go. So various clip arts of cake has been appeared, and user can choose a particular clip art by selecting. So suppose I want to select this one. So I will select this one, and see where the cursor has been placed, the particular clip art has getting added. User can change the particular size by this option. So here user can change the size. So here a particular clip art is getting added. So particular by a space. So this is the process of adding a clip art. So all the steps are written here, and for the reference purpose a snapshot has been getting added. Okay, so there is a process of there is a tab insert, and the illustration group there is a clip art. After that, how a user will insert a word art. So what is a word art? So word art is designed to allow user make text more attractive. User can format text to make it look like a picture and enhance it appear in different ways. So what are the various steps to insert word art? So first the user will place the cursor. After that, select the insert tab. Then in the text group, click the word art button. Then word art menu appears. Select the desired word art style. Edit word art text dialog box appear, and type the text in the text area and click OK. So we'll go for the practical purpose. Again we'll open the particular file. So suppose I want the word art should get printed here. So right here. So I place the cursor. After that I will go to the insert tab. In the insert tab I will go to the text group, and the text group there is the option of word art. And the word art, various kind of styles of word art is displayed, and suppose I want to choose this word art. Suppose I have selected this. So edit word art text window will appear. So suppose I want to write happy birthday. Sorry. Happy birthday. User can change the particular font. So suppose I want suppose any font user can change, or user can change also, and okay. So see, happy birthday is getting written. Okay, so that is the advantage of word art. Okay, so and for the reference purpose I have used a snapshot of that particular word art. So that is all for today. In the next session we will see how we can insert a picture into a document file. Thank you.